Grow tomatoes at home with hydroponics, a 3D guide to sustainable gardening. Imagine growing fresh, delicious tomatoes indoors, all year round, using 90% less water and zero soil. Hydroponics makes this eco-friendly dream possible. No garden? No problem. Join the movement towards sustainability and learn how to grow food in small spaces with minimal environmental impact. Starting is easier than you think. We'll guide you through the basics, choosing your hydroponic system, assembling the setup using accessible materials, and positioning it for proper sunlight or artificial light. Bonus, it's cleaner and mess-free compared to traditional gardening. Next, we'll show you how to plant seeds, monitor water nutrient levels, and maintain ideal growing conditions. Watch your green thumb thrive as your tomatoes grow faster and healthier than in soil. Our 3D visuals make every step easy to follow, even for beginners. When your tomatoes ripen, harvesting will feel like a reward for your sustainable efforts. Plus, the hydroponic system is reusable, letting you grow new plants year-round. Perfect for reducing your carbon footprint while enjoying fresh produce. Hydroponics is transforming how we grow food. Ready to start your eco-friendly journey? Subscribe and share this video to inspire others. Together, let's make sustainable gardening the norm.